Hello mate, this alarm clock like yours. See, this key that wind up the alarm. See, button is up and you must wind up this key about 10-12 times, or to stop you wind up. Yeah, this is one key to move the alarm. You see, but you must like this move it. This is key to move arrows or hands. Yeah, I wind up alarm, the button is up, and then I move alarm arrow or hands to this point. Yeah, it's 4 AM, and to test I move these hands. See, the alarm works and button is stop. Yeah, try it and write me you can fix it or not, and then text me. Okay, thank you.